Good evening, children. This is Shilpa Miss. Mid-exam Class 2 English revision. Once revise the portion. Let's start. First have a look at the blueprint, children. First one, plural forms. Here see, children, under the plural forms you will be given 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 ones are 5 marks. Okay. Next one, double letters. Under the double letters you will be given 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 ones are 5 marks. Next one, pronouns. Under the pronouns you will be given 4 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. 4 ones are 4 marks. Next one, articles. Under the articles you will be given 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 ones are 5 marks. Next one, opposites. Under the opposites you will be given 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 ones are 5 marks. Next one, missing letters. Under the missing letters you will be given 3 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 3 ones are 3 marks. The last one is jumbled words. Under the jumbled words you will be given 3 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 3 ones are 3 marks. 3 ones are 3 marks. Okay. So this is the blueprint of English mid-exam. Next one, oral test, 10 marks. Please tell any sentences on your own about yourself. For that you will be given 10 marks. Please send video, children, tomorrow, not today. Total 40 marks. Now one by one we shall revise once again the grammar points. Let us start. See, children, here singular and plural. First one, plural form. A naming word is said to be in the singular number when stands for only one person, place, animal or thing. That is called singular. A naming word is said to be in the plural number when it stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing. It is called a plural form. See here, by adding s to the singular noun, book, books, cup, cups, egg, eggs, tree, trees, horse, horses, rat, rats. Adding es to the singular noun ending in s, x, sh and ch. Watch, watches, foxes, x last letter. Bus, buses, brush, brushes. IES if the singular noun ends in y and preceded by a consonant. Fly, flies, y plus IES. Butterfly, butterfly, butterflies. If the noun ends in f or fe, the plural is formed by changing f or fe into ves. Wolf, wolves. Leaf, leaves. These are double letters. With the help of this clue, you fill the blanks. Then make a word. For example, you rest your head on this at night. So with the help of clue, we fill the answers. Pillow, pillow. So by using 2 L's, we make a new word, pillow. Okay, these are called double letters. By using double letters, fill these blanks. Okay, practice these blanks. Same like that only, with the help of hints, fill these blanks also. Here, same letters as well as the two different letters also there. So with the help of clue, fill these blanks. Practice these blanks also. Okay. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that replaces nouns. I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. She or her, them or they, it. We use words like she, I, they, he, we, you and it in the place of nouns. They are called pronouns. See here children. I, he, she, us, we. Okay. For example, Ravi is my brother. Here Ravi is noun. In that place we shall use he as a pronoun. He is older than I am. Okay. Here see children. Table of the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are all subject pronouns. Next one, articles. There are three articles in English language. They are a, an and the. Indefinite article a and an. Use a if the word starts with a consonant. An. Use an if the word starts with a vowel. Definite article the. Use the before singular, countable or common noun. Here see children. The letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. An is used before words beginning with a vowel. Okay. The letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z are called consonants. These letters before we should use a article. Okay. The definite article. The is used when you talk about something again. The is also used when you talk about a particular thing and before some special names. Okay. Next one, antonyms. That means opposites. Words that are opposite in meaning are called antonyms. Antonyms. Light, heavy. Day, night. Top, bottom. Difficult, easy. Right, wrong. False, true. Children, an antonym changes the meaning of a word or a sentence. Antonym means opposite. Okay. In this session, please choose the correct answer for the given word. Clown. Here missing letters OW. So pronounce it once and twice. Then you can choose the right option. OW. Clown. Next one, cloud. 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 Mouth. OU here. MOUTH. Mouth. Crown. 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 So practice like this. Missing letters, children. Fill these blanks with the suitable letters. Okay. These are the examples of missing letters. Next one, jumbled words. Rearrange the letters in the correct order to make a word. Here see children. Arrange the letters in correct order, then make a meaningful word. They are called jumbled words. TAF, no meaning here. So that we make in proper order. FAT, fat. FOX, fox. M-U-G, mug. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-N-D, hand. So these are called jumble words.